All right, what's going on, everybody? So today we are back with the OG Whipple F150. We're going to be pulling down, trying to make some more power, and then we're going to do a Dragy hit with the cooler weather since we did it when it was, what, August?
Hot as balls.
Hot as balls. So, once again, this is Mike.
Hi.
It's his truck.
Yep.
If you didn't see the other video, go watch it. It was my very first video I did. I learned a lot from that video and what to do and what not to do. But so we're gonna be swapping out this pulley today. So it has a 3.875 pulley on it, and we're going to be swapping it with this what the hell is this, a 3.625 pulley, so make a little bit more jam. And he said it does not require a tune, right? Like your tuner said it is set already.
It's stable enough for the 3625.
Okay, so it will it should be okay. So we're gonna find out.
Oh, we are. Sure.
we're gonna find out, see what happens.
Might blow up my daily.
Well, we're gonna swap this thing out, and we're gonna take it from there. All right, so first things first, you want to loosen this pulley right here. If I can get the damn thing on, there we go. And it is a 3/8 Allen head socket. You want to loosen that, and then this will free the belt up a little bit. Then we're gonna put a socket down there. It's a 15 millimeter. Somewhere, where's it at? Focus, there it is, right here. And we're gonna pop that belt loose. And then we got these Allen bolts here. These are, what were they, quarter inch? We're gonna swap that loose, swap those out, loosen them, and put the pulley on. So we're loosening the pulley, and then we're gonna slide this belt over this. If I can do this and not bust my hands.
Yep, that's what we're doing. See how easy this is? You gotta be kidding. Oh, got it. Okay, now do it. Should come right off now.
Hey-o.
Yeah.
Oh. And I'm gonna kind of suspend
Yeah,
this
but I'll
down
say
here.
I didn't really take a picture of.
It's all good. It won't. It'll be good.
All right, we're all the way out.
Oh, that's what she said.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I don't pull out.
Pull out game strong.
I pull in. Now, see if I can. Lefty tighty, righty loosey. No, that's not right.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Just turn it till it doesn't turn anymore.
No. That's
In the wrong direction, right?
Oh, look.
Yeah, but you broke them.
You are so strong. You know how tight these bolts got to be from Whipple?
Oh man, we loosened them already.
You're not supposed to tell people.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It's supposed to look like you're strong. Should we tell them we already dropped one socket?
Oh yeah, so yeah, I dropped one of my sockets down in there, so it's real estate now with the truck. So it's a little heavier.
Forever. It was probably the 3/8 we needed.
Probably.
I'm pretty sure it was. If I'm shaking, I've had anything to drink today.
Well, there goes that.
Should I say it's our first time, or should I say this is...
Yep, the GoPro fell off.
I can't find the hole.
You gotta line
I found it.
up. There you go. Yeah, I know. It's hard sometimes.
Just want to put some hair around it. Like I said, I'm a kid of the 80s.
Oh yeah.
Finger tight?
Yeah, just tighten it a little bit.
But like forever? Just finger tight?
Yeah, that's it.
Everybody's like, what's that rattling?
So we use the
Blue Loctite.
Blue Loctite, medium strength.
Medium. Not to be confused with Schmedium.
Let's not drip it on the Escort.
That's what I was just thinking. I want you to be all upset in the video. Now he's putting it on and my Escort's fucked up. So don't mind the shaky shake. Just going through a little withdrawal. Alright, now he's going to put the belt back on that fucking came off everything. So, let the cussing begin.
Oh yeah. All right, so just to make it easy, it's good to have a buddy or a compadre along with you to help you. Friend, somebody,
neighbor,
your mom, your sister,
whoever.
You want to loosen that tensioner down there. Then you want to slide this one all the way back. Have your muchacho hold it, tighten it down, and then you pop the breaker bar loose, and then life is good.
So far.
So far. We haven't driven it yet.
No.
But it didn't blow up when we started it, so I guess we're okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to find out.
Yeah, we're going to find out on the road.
On the road again.
All right, so just real quick, give me a rundown of the truck for people that don't know.
The 2018 F150 XL, cab and a half, four-wheel drive. It's got a stage 2 2.9 Whipple kit on it, Deechworks 1000 injectors, 1 7/8 Kooks long tube headers, free-flowing exhaust, Borla Type S catback. It's on a 93 octane tune, 3.625 upper, had a 3.875, just got through doing that today. And that's about it.
Solid setup.
Easy.
So we're gonna put a Dragy on this thing now,
and see what you do.
We're gonna do some hood rat things.
Hood rat things. I love hood rat things.
So far with everything, the pulley swap feels good. How do you like it so far?
Love it. A lot more get up and go. A lot more whine. Which, if you have a supercharger, it's definitely something you want to hear. You spend all that money on a supercharger and all that. You know, you want to hear it whine every once in a while. So I love it. I love my Lightning when I drove it. It was my daily driver for 6 years, and I missed that. So I got something else that had a supercharger on it, and nothing wrong with daily driving a supercharged vehicle. It's nice, fun, cruises great, and it gets up and goes when you want it to. And people don't really expect it from a big ass truck for sure. So yeah. I love it. I put 150,000 miles on my Lightning, so never had an issue.
So how does this thing do with gas mileage? Like just driving like city or highway?
Not too bad. Only, round trip to work's 24 miles, and basically that's where it goes every day. It averages between 14-15 miles at a gallon. I've taken it on long trips. Got up to almost 21 miles at a gallon going down, I-10 at 80 miles an hour. So it gets about the same mileage you would get out of a naturally aspirated vehicle. It's just when your foot gets in it, it gets worse. So.
Oh yeah. Yeah, well that ain't bad.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so right now we're getting about 14.6 average, and that's to and from work. 24 miles round trip. I can't complain.
That ain't bad. So there it is, once again. 2018 Gen 3 Coyote F150 with the 2.9 Whipple. Pulley down to a 3.625.